Cashflow Gold and Silver for a Lifetime Income. Hi, I'm David Morgan, founder of the Morgan Report. Discover how you can cash flow gold and silver for a passive income of 12 to 26% per year, just like real estate, using a very powerful and simple strategy that takes less than an hour a month to manage, has been proven in over 40 countries, and has a success rate of 92%. If you want to discover how you can cash flow gold and silver, then click the link in the description below for the complete details. Don't delay. Click the link in the description below to get the complete details on how you can cash flow gold and silver for a passive income for life.